Are you ready? It's time for fun! Welcome to Tuiyya Pop!
What color is this?
Green. Is it green like that little bouncing frog?
That's exactly right, Pop.
What color is this? Red. Is it red like that tiny little ladybug? That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Blue. I think it's blue, like that happy flying bird.
That's exactly right, Pop.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Could it be yellow, like that soft little chick?
That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Orange. Could it be orange like that quick, fuzzy fox?
That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Purple. Is it purple like that beautiful butterfly's wings?
That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Pink. Could it be pink like that tall, standing flamingo?
That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Brown. Is it brown like that small, fuzzy bear?
That's exactly right, Pop.
What color is this?
Black. Could it be black like that big, smooth bird?
That's exactly right, Pop.
What color is this? White. I think it's white, like that soft, speedy rabbit. That's exactly right, Pop. What color is this?
Gray. Is it gray like that big, gentle elephant?
That's exactly right, Pop.
What color is this?
Gold. Could it be gold like that fast, shining goldfish?
That's exactly right, Pop. Thank you for watching. We had so much fun with you.
You can find more adventures with us right here.